Now, your 41 NBC AccuWeather forecast, presented by Volume Chevrolet.
Welcome back. We have been seeing some showers across parts of Middle Georgia, mostly during the early evening, but got a few spots of some light rain still pushing through the area tonight. I think most of us are going to end up with a little bit of patchy fog, but a lot of us actually did not see the rainfall. Most of this was to the east of I-75 or just to the north of I-16. You could see Dublin around 0.8 inches of rainfall just this afternoon. Near Sandersville, almost 3 inches of rain. Gray, about 1 inch of rain. And in downtown Macon, around 1 inch of rainfall from all that came through earlier this afternoon. Now, at the airport, we didn't get quite as much rain there, but on Saturday, we picked up a record amount for that date. And so we are at a surplus for this month and for this year. And that's going into another rainy week across the area. This is once again looking out over downtown Macon from our 41 Sky View. Just a really nice night to be out and about once the rain pushed through, because after that we saw everything really kind of cooling off across the area. Right now, temperatures sitting in the 70s for much of us. 73 in Dublin, 72 in Gordon, and 75 down in Perry. Generally pretty comfortable. Once again, patchy fog will be possible as we are heading into tomorrow morning, but that's going to go along with another chance for some showers. So you can see a lot of this is dissipating as we are heading into the evening. That being said, we've still got an area of low pressure in parts of Texas that is bringing them some very heavy rain. And all of this is connected by a front up to this area of low pressure further to our north in the Great Lakes region. So all of that is kind of connected at this point, and it's keeping this rainy pattern stuck over us. So I'm not saying everybody's going to see rain all day tomorrow, but we are looking at a pretty good chance for those showers as that Gulf moisture just continues to work its way into parts of Middle Georgia. So for tomorrow morning, you can see this is around 6:30, showers pushing their way in. As we are moving through the day for tomorrow, we're going to start to see that area of low pressure inch a little bit closer, but it's not going to be moving very quickly at all. So more scattered showers will be possible throughout the day. Probably getting a break through much of tomorrow night, and then by Wednesday, another round of these showers as this starts to become more of a stationary boundary than a cold front. So we're going to have to keep an eye on all of this, but right now it looks like that low pressure is really going to take its time in moving into our area. At the same time, it's going to continue to spin in more of that moisture and more showers and storms through the end of the week. Right now, Thursday, Friday, probably going to be our rainiest days. For the rest of tonight, though, mostly cloudy skies sticking around 72 degrees by around 5 a.m. Another closer look at what we're expecting for tomorrow. Some scattered showers to start our day. Maybe we end up with a mostly dry afternoon. Clouds are likely to stick around, though, through most of it, with another round of those showers on the way for Wednesday. And really through, like I said, the rest of the week, we're going to keep this rainfall in the forecast. Some of us could see some heavy rainfall mixed in, but right now it doesn't look like we're going to see much in the way of a severe threat. So some good news there. We are, however, going to keep those rain chances, it looks like right now, into the weekend as well. So as far as how much rain, it's really kind of all going to depend on where we see those individual thunderstorms. But in general, you can expect 1 to 2 additional inches of rainfall here in our area. We're also watching the tropics. We've got this new area of activity right now, a 30% chance that in the next 5 days we see this become a tropical cyclone. Just 10 seconds, I'll look at our 7-day forecast.
At Volume Chevrolet, get oil changes for life, plus a 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty. Visit Volume Chevrolet, I-75 exit 187 in Forsyth. That's VolumeChevrolet.com.
And here's your 41 NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast, sponsored by Volume Chevrolet. Mid-80s are on the way through the rest of the week. Once again, Thursday, Friday, probably going to be our rainiest days, or at least most widespread rain across the area, with more scattered showers returning for the weekend and maybe a little bit of a warm-up for next week.
For weather updates on the go, download the 41 NBC AccuWeather app and follow 41 NBC on Facebook and Twitter.